Good evening. It is day 13 of the Knitting Olympics, at which I am miserably failing, but hey, it is what it is. But I did have a big win today. Well, first off, I did attempt to watch the Winter Olympics today. There was this biathlon, what was it? Oh, I can't even remember what it was. But health-wise, it's not been a good day. It's not been a good day. So I ended up having to have an extended nap during the afternoon, during which I just slept through the entire event that I was planning on watching. So, hey, there we are. But as you can tell, I'm a little more perky today than I was yesterday. Yesterday I was extremely tired, probably because I didn't have a nap yesterday. Anyway, great news, amazing news even. I have managed, well, first off, I didn't have the energy to go to my local yarn store today and get new knitting needles, but hey, Amazon to the rescue. Now I know, we're not supposed to use Amazon, but I had to get new needles because the ones that I had yesterday they were this much too short. For one, and also the metal needles were so slippery, so the stitches just wanted to fall off all the time. So I got new needles, yay! Well, new tips. So, and here we are. Can you see that? I don't know what I'm showing you. There we are. Progress has been made. And not only that, you guys, you're not going to believe this. I finished the first chart. Finally. Wow, that was... who knew this would take me... Well, it's taken me almost 2 weeks just to get through the first chart. But I'm done. Now, though, of course, I have to start this chart, which is almost as big as this one, but not quite. And once that is done, I'm doing that one. But this one should, as soon as I'm past this section, this upper part should be reasonably quick. So, coming up. But that's tomorrow's issue. And I guess the 2 weeks after that, considering how long this took me, but this one is done. Yay! Win. Huge win. Because I've been feeling like that one just would not end. It took forever. But here we are. Can you see this? It has grown quite a lot. It is... I think... Ooh! I'm losing all the stitches. Do not pull out these stitches. That's a bad idea. Okay, I'll fix that afterwards. I'm just really happy to be at this point. I don't know, I wouldn't say I'm halfway, but maybe I am. No, I'm not, but I'm getting there. So, yay for that. So, hopefully, I'll have a better day tomorrow, and hopefully I'll be able to knit loads tomorrow. Actually, I do need to make another video as well tomorrow. Oh well, I hope I'll be able to knit lots tomorrow. So, I'll see you then.